Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster drawing. Start by sketching a rounded body and a central symmetry line, then block in the tail segments, claws, legs, and antennae using simple shapes. Focus on proportion and flow rather than details. Refine shapes into curved shells, add segmented tail plates, emphasize claw hinges, and erase construction lines. Finish with light shading and texture to suggest shell and depth. Use basic shapes to map the lobster. Draw an oval for the carapace, overlapping circles for the head and tail, and ovals for claws. Keep lines light so you can adjust proportions easily. Add guideline for antennae and leg placement. Slowly refine each shape into shell curves, define jointed legs, and carve out the claw hinge. Keep stepping back to check balance and symmetry as you work. Use gentle erasing to clean up guides. Textures and details bring the lobster to life. Block in shell plates, fine antenna hairs, and spike textures on claws using short strokes. Add creases where the tail bends and overlap plates for realism. Use cross-hatching to suggest shadow under the belly and between leg joints. Darken the inner claw curves and highlight the shell ridges lightly. Keep studying real references to capture authentic shapes and subtle surface reflections regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.